guys, welcome back to Go Zoo, the virtual zoo that allows you to learn about any animal, anytime, and anywhere in the world. So, I was cleaning my room out and I found the fans that my Asian friend sent to me a while back. Now this is the big one. Ooh, look at how big it is. Wow. And this is the little one. Can you see how beautiful it is? It has this really little nice designs on it. So I was thinking, don't we have an animal that looks kind of like this with a very long tail that has very intricate designs? I think we do, and I think that's the animal we'll be talking about today. First of all, let me drop this and then we'll begin. Today we'll be talking all about the Indian peafowl. Indian peafowls are birds, and birds are vertebrates. That means they have backbones, they have wings, and they have feathers. They give birth to their young as eggs, and most birds can fly. There are about 3 major species of peafowls, and the Indian peafowl is one of the most commonly seen peafowl in the world. It's often also called the blue peafowl because of its distinct blue color. Peafowls are also called peacocks, and I'm sure that's the name you must have heard or you know it as. The peafowl head is crested with feathers, making it look like it has a crown, like I showed you before. They have very long beaks that helps them to catch the food that they eat. Their bodies are covered with feathers, and their tails are elongated with a distinguished blue and green color. Did you know that a peafowl's tail is almost half of the length of its entire body? And when it's all out in full display, it's so beautiful. The tail has eye-like spots with red, gold, and green feathers surrounding the eye spots. Like their names, the Indian peafowl is natively found in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and African countries like Congo. The peahens, which is the female peafowl, lays between 3 to 6 eggs in groups called clutches. After laying the eggs, she will sit on them to incubate them until they hatch. Baby peafowls are called pea chicks. After hatching, they stay with their mothers until they have learned how to take care of themselves. That usually takes them about 1 year. Not so long. Peahens mature faster than peacocks. Peacocks are male peafowls. Peafowls are ground feeders. Ground feeders are birds that prefer to feed from the ground. They are also omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and smaller animals. They like to eat things like seeds, flower petals, and smaller insects like termites. So, here are some fun facts. So, number 1, there's a very rare kind of peafowl that is white all over. Some people say that they are albino peafowls, but really, they just have different genes that makes them white all over. Number 2, it takes these birds about 3 years for their tails to fully develop. Number 3, in medieval times, they were served as a delicacy and they were prepared elaborately with the tails. Number 4, only male peafowls have the beautiful tails. Well, that's all for today. Now it's catch-up time! Peafowls are also called peacocks. Peafowls are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and smaller animals. Only male peafowls have the beautiful tails. And male peafowls are called peacocks, females are called peahens, and babies are called pea chicks. Till our next Go Zoo adventure, bye for now.